Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to set up and use your Find My in your iPhone. It's really simple. So the first thing you will have to do is enable your Find My right here in your Apple account. So go to your settings and then your very profile and then tap here to Find My, and then you will have to place it on right here and then which location, this device, and then share your location of course so that it could be found. Next is here in your Find My application in your iPhone. It's built into every iPhones. So you will see here that your location is not showing location and it's from this iPhone. So basically all you have to do is enable it from this setting right here, and you have to share your location of course so that it will work, and it's just that simple actually. So of course you must have an Apple account and you must have location on in your device, and it's just that simple. So it's gonna locate your iPhone basically wherever it is. You can send notifications and many much more. So you can also add other devices in this tab right here, as you can see in the bottom, and it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.